I have 3 of the best and unique wireless speakers from Amazon, and we'll be comparing each of these inside this video. We have a waterproof speaker from DB Sono, a wireless induction speaker, and the X-Go by Bola Buddy. The waterproof speaker comes with a few different accessories. We have this suction cup here that will attach to the back of the speaker just like so, and you can stick it on the wall of your shower, you could stick it on your refrigerator, you could stick it on your wall. Basically, you can put this wherever you want to. We also get some sticky film that you can use if it's not sticking correctly. And we have a USB-A to USB-C charging cord. The wireless induction speaker comes with a charging cord, and that's it. And the X-Go comes with a lanyard as well as a charging cord. The X-Go is going to be your largest of the 3 speakers. All of these are going to be wireless and portable, so you can use them wherever you want to. Next biggest is going to be your induction speaker that has that pretty massive but sturdy stand. And lastly, the smallest speaker is going to be the shower or the suction cup speaker by DB Sono. The DB Sono speaker comes with a cool RGB light that's inside of the speaker. We also get a settings button, we get a power button, a play button, and of course a volume up and down button. The suction cup is pretty simple to use. You just slap it onto whatever surface you want to, say the shower, and then you just tighten it to lock it into place. And this is what it sounds like playing some non-copyrighted music.
Let me know if you feel the same, if you're playing the game where you say my name.
In my opinion, it sounds really good, and I love the RGB lighting. It just adds to the effects, and the fact that you can stick this in the shower makes this a pretty solid speaker, being that it is waterproof. The induction speaker also comes with a cool light around the outside. We have 4 buttons here at the top, a volume up and down button, a mode button, and a power button. You also get the rotating stand as well as a spot to put your phone so it can just sit there while you're listening to music. And this is how it sounds like using some non-copyrighted music. This speaker has some serious bass. It honestly sounds really good even just using the Bluetooth speaker mode, and this is how the induction mode sounds. It's pretty cool how this works. So you'll notice that the sound is actually playing from my phone. So all the sound's coming from my phone. As soon as I attach it to the speaker, listen what happens. It honestly sounds like the speaker is on Bluetooth mode, but it's not. It's just using that induction mode, and the sound is coming from my phone. Honestly, it's pretty cool. The X-Go also has RGB lighting on both sides, which I think looks pretty cool. We have a power button, a volume down button, a pause and stop button, a volume up button, and a button to change the color of the light. It's super easy to connect it via Bluetooth, and this is how it sounds. When it comes down to it, I would say that the most versatile speaker of the 3 is going to be the one by DB Sound, just because you can hang it up in the shower. It's completely waterproof. You could take it with you. You don't have to have it hanging up. It's super versatile, easy to use. The coolest sounding of the 3 has to be the induction speaker. I just loved how that worked when I put my phone onto it and it started blasting out music, sounding like it was connected via Bluetooth. And then the loudest and the most bass is going to be coming from the X-Go. It just has the larger speaker, and it'll probably sound the loudest out of the 3. When it comes down to it, you really can't go wrong with any of these 3 speakers. They're all great. They have unique and special features, and in my opinion, they're worth checking out. Thank you so much for watching this video review, and I hope that it helped.